Regal Restoration. As you can see, that time has come. The front body section is on. That only leaves one more part. So, without further ado, this one's not properly bolted on yet, so I'm not going to lean too much on it. It's time to fit the back part on. So I'll stick the camera on and we'll get this fitted. Pick it up for you. See where your door post is. It lines up with that outrigger that's just next to you. I need far back. Then I just drive it, you see you lift it and it just falls in, should be. That's it all lined up. That's it. And like that, that is the back half of the shell. Sit back on the Regal. It's not bolted on yet, as you know, it's just went on. So I'm going to go and start bolting bits onto it. Bolt the front nose on so that it can't move. And that's just ready for getting the timber frames put into it and crack on with everything else. While it's outside, I might tackle some of the sanding just to see how it's going to come off the back panels. And we'll see how that goes as well. But yeah, quite a short episode, but a quite important one at that, because the milestone's finally been reached of everything being at a stage that this can be reattached. And now I've got a space that I can move the super van to, so I can get my carport back. So I'm going to probably go and do that now. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to keep up to date with this Reliant Regal Restoration, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoy watching the videos. Please comment, I like hearing from you as well, and any questions or anything you think that I might be interested in restoring, drop me a comment. I'm always interested in restoring these little fiberglass gems, especially ones that are like this. This is completely different to me and I'm really liking the learning curve of learning how to do it, as well as I'm doing this and learning, I'm filming it so I can actually enjoy it myself another day. Going, wow, I couldn't believe I did all that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'm away to get this pushed inside, out of the way, and get it all fixed on. So yeah,